Georgia, 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 Georgia. We on the grind, Georgia, all the time. It ain't nothing on my mind, but Georgia, we ain't playing with you. We on the grind, Georgia.
So, you guys can barely see me, but it is at night. I am in the car. I am on the way to the airport to pick up my boyfriend, and I am really, really excited to see him. The only thing is that there's a teensy weather going on from the hurricane, so we're on our way to Georgia. So we are really hoping that the weather stays good. The part of Georgia we're going to, we know people who are there, and they say it's like good there. It's like sunshiny, nothing's really happened like at all, and they're saying that it's not forecast for anything to happen. So we're just like, we know once we get there we should be okay. It's just, you know, making sure we get there before anything on the roads get bad. But I don't think the roads will be bad. I don't know. Do you think this is insane? But we'll see what happens. I'll keep you posted on how things go.
This is the longest elevator ever.
Don't say nothing as long as it works. Because the last time we went to Atlanta, the elevator stopped working.
Nah, this... What is it?
Right over there. At the exit sign is the steps.
I can soon get this up phone call.
No, dang, man. Third floor. Cooking with Rich, the hotel.
Hey.
Make sure my bagel doesn't burn.
It smells like a burnt bacon. Sensational. My waffle looks sensational. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Fatty. The life of a nursing student is never done. I'm up here doing work while I have to eat. And he up here having breakfast in bed. And I gotta do homework. I did have a hairstyle.
Kate the most beautiful picture in Savannah yet?
No, thank you. What? No, thank you. I have Southern hospitality, so I can't just ignore somebody. I can't. That's not me. That's not who I is on the inside.
Mixed with all the beat.
That was like part of it. Being Bobby Brown, something like that. Oh, Spider-Man.
They
It's
work.
fine
They work for me. They work. That's how. I
Then
want,
they had to put on the sunglasses.
that's how I want our relationship to be without the crack.
I think you need the crack.
What?
The crack is what made it.
What made it? I was like, I thought you said. I'm like, what you trying to say? We should use drugs?
No.
I was like, I think you need the crack. I'm like, why you saying you think
Crack is whack, kids.
I thought you were
Crack
saying
is whack.
I need the crack. Like, I think you, rich, need the crack.
No.
Shit.
I think
Damn.
I think the drugs was a significant part of what their relationship
Shit
was.
consisted of.
Yeah.
Understood.
The fatty in his natural habitat. Good morning. About to film a video for you guys. Hopefully it turns out well. This is our last day in Savannah, and we're just gonna go to the outlets and then head home.
Before you go, they work for me. They work. They work for me. They work. They work for me. They work. They work for me. They work.
Don't be showing the peoples out there all your good moves, okay? Where this? Oh.
Before you go. Hold on. I hit the magic mic move, ready?
Hold on, cause they ain't ready. They ain't ready.
Before you go.
Wah, wah, wah. Take two.
Ah, my knee.
And old man.
Before you go.
Old man. Like he just out of practice. He can do it, I swear.
I don't know how this works.
Just flip it.
Oh.
So you can see, or you can flip it. So you
Wait.
can see yourself. Dude, oh, give me some cinematic shots of something. Of what? I don't know.
Before you go. I gotta get my glasses. Glasses. A cinematic shot of what? It's nothing. There's nothing over here.
I know. I was like, what? I don't know.
I'm making myself dizzy. I bet you won't walk outside with that makeup on. I dare you.
What? You gonna go to the outlets?
Yep.
I gotta go to the outlets with this.
Yep. Could barely see you. It looks good.
Fine.
Let me see. Oh yeah, it looks good. It looks real good. Hold on. Only part I don't like is right here. That's it.
Perfection?
Yeah, that's it right there. That's it right there.
Okay. I'll go out. What I get?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Not a bing ting.
You gotta find me a candy bar.
A candy bar? I already got candy. You got cookies.
I'm not gonna say the store or the associate because I don't want to get him in trouble. But I got that you trying to kick it discount for real. What? Come through and chill discount. Took $40 off my $100+ shoes and a 30% off promotion. Wow. 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 I should have called you my brother so he'd be like, ooh, if I be nice to the brother, maybe she really go out with me. Ain't it a blessing to have a secure boyfriend?
I would shoot. I want you to flirt with the nigga. So you get a discount for me too.
I was trying, but then you was like, ooh, you got 3 pairs of shoes. I was like, no, don't say that. He's gonna be like, you're buying them for her?
Damn. I messed up my own stuff.
You did.
Okay.
It's okay, we can try again. We can try again. We can do this again. Maybe it is the makeup. People been staring at me non-stop. I thought it was bad. You gonna do my makeup more often.
I did good.
You got secret powers.
I did good.
You got the power of the brush.
Tell you.
No, I think it's the
power of the
lips.
cards.
I think it's the lips.
I know it's the lips. I did extra good on the lips. Look, juicy. Extra juicy. I told you. Oh, they got an H&M today?
Today has just been a gift from God. I gotta come through and chill discount. Classes are canceled tomorrow. Today's Monday. I feel it. What else is gonna happen? I receive it, Lord. I receive it. No class, and I don't gotta work tomorrow. I don't gotta go to work until Thursday. I'm happy. Shoot, I just gotta finish this homework. That's all I gotta do.
More of them, know you, more me, more us. My girl is my girl, it's your girl, my girl too. My girl is my girl, it's your girl, my girl.
Almost time to say goodbye. Alright, so the airport people don't start yelling at us.
Just go ahead, look back for me. Thank you guys so much. All right, see you later.
Well, I'm crossing over on your side.
On my side?
Yeah. So I don't have to open the door. Bye. Got it? They're laughing at me because I'm taping.
Bye, see you later.
So I'm back home. Very oily. Very oily and a little sad. Dropped him off at the airport. He just texted me that he's getting on the plane now, so very bittersweet. With the hurricane, I really didn't think I was gonna be able to see him, so I'm happy that I got to see him. Sad to see him go, but this won't be our forever, so I'm gonna enjoy what I can. Try to stay positive. Yeah. So I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you hear that in the background, my parents are watching Gods of Egypt or something like that. So, but if you really like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Comment some positivity down below and share this video with any and everybody. Until my next video.